Hello and welcome to SAP Business One training video. Today we are going to work on SAP Business One CRM module. We are going to see how campaign generation wizard works in SAP Business One CRM module. To navigate to CRM module in SAP Business One, from the module menu, we will click on CRM module. In CRM module, we will get campaign generation wizard option. We'll click on campaign generation wizard option. uh, Campaign generation wizard window will appear. Click on next button. In campaign generation wizard there are 5 steps to create a campaign. So the first option in campaign generation wizard will be campaign generation options. So in campaign generation option there are 4 options. The first option is to create new campaign. uh, in this option we create a new campaign as per our requirements. Then the second option is create campaign based on existing campaign. Means in this option we have already created a campaign, and based on that earlier campaign we have to create a new campaign. So to create such campaign we will click on the create campaign and based on the existing campaign. Moving on to the third option, that is load saved campaign. In this option we create a campaign and we save the campaign for execution when it is needed. So in this option we save a campaign and we execute that campaign afterwards. In the fourth option in campaign generation option is run and execute campaign again. In this option uh, we run the campaign which we have already executed. Means we create a campaign earlier and we have executed that campaign, and if we have to run that campaign again and again, same campaign, then we will click on run and execute campaign again. So in this video we are going to see create new campaign. To create new campaign, first we will give campaign name. I will give campaign name as demo, and remark whatever remark is required for sales of service. I have given the campaign name as demo and a remark for sales of services. We can give any campaign name as per our requirements. Then I will click on next option. In this option, this is the second step of campaign generation wizard. In this we will enter all the campaigning details. The first one is campaign name that we have already given. Then the second option is campaign type. So in campaign type we have a list of variables. So what kind of campaign we are executing? Is this an email campaign, fax campaign, phone call, or meeting? Means we are assigning our activities. What kind of activity we are going to perform for this particular campaign. So we can select any of that option. I will select email option. Then here the third option is target group type. So in this option we are going to select are we targeting our customers or are we targeting our vendors. So we can select any of the two options from the radio button. The fourth option is target group. In the radio button, if I click on radio button, I will get a list of target groups. So I can create a group of customers or vendors to which I have to campaign this particular campaign. Okay, so I will select any of the option. I can create a new target group also. So if I have to create a new target group, I will give a target group code that will be um, local local customers as my target code, and the same thing I will give as target name, and I will update that one. Okay, and click on OK. So I have selected my target group as local customers, so which are located in my area. So, and the fifth option will be owner. So I have to define an owner of that particular campaign. Means who is creating campaign or who is responsible for this campaign. So I will select one employee, that is as per our employee master list. Then the sixth option will be start date. On what date I'm going to create this particular campaign, that is automatically the date which we create the campaign will be as start date, and the end date it will be vary from as per our requirements. So I will give after 10/07/2021. I have provided the end date for that particular campaign. Then the next option is items. In this particular option, I have a three dots. In these three dots, I can select what all items are included in the following campaign. Means for which particular campaign, for which particular item I am creating the campaign. I can select multiple items for that. So these are the items for which we are creating a campaign. Then the next option is partners. So I can assign a channel partner for this. For this field is only for the informative purpose. I can, if we are creating this particular campaign with respect to our JNPT customers or clients, so I can create particular uh, partners list for that. I will click on OK, and the remark will be same which we have entered earlier for sales of services. Then the last option is campaigning template. So if we have any flyers or brochures for particular campaign, we can assign that particular flyers or brochure for that campaigning. So when I click on the browser option, so I will be directed to the, I will be able to select the brochure or flyers for that particular campaign. As I have created one, I will select and open one. So that particular campaign template will automatically get assigned to that particular campaign. So after filling all the information in the second step, I will click on next button and move on to step number 3. In step number 3, it is regarding the target business partners. So we can add that on clicking add button, I will get all the business partner list. So I can select the customer group. Means if I have to create a domestic customer, I will click on customers, or if I have one particular customer to be selected, I can select that also. So from this particular customer to 7, I will select the particular range of customer code, and I will click on OK. So all the customer which are in that range will automatically get fetched. This all the information is predefined. It will be automatically fetched into the system. Okay, after adding the business partners, I will click on the next button, the step 4. The step 4 is save and execute options. So there are multiple options for saving and executing the campaigning. So the first option is save campaign and exit. Means in this option we are only saving the campaign, and we are executing the campaign generation wizard. We are not executing that. And the second option is save campaign and execute. The second option means we are saving particular campaign and we are also executing that. Means we are sending mail to our customers that we have created this campaign, and the following process follows. In save campaign and execute campaign, there are multiple options. Send external list, generate external list. Means we create an external list and send the mail afterwards. Means after creation of campaigning. And the second option is send email using Microsoft Office Outlook. So if we have configured a Microsoft Outlook with SAP B1, then we can use email, we can send email using Microsoft Office Outlook. Or if we have configured our SAP Business One mailer, we can select SAP Business One email option and we can send mail directly. Or there is the fourth option is just send fax. We can also send fax using this particular option. And the fifth option is generate URL. In this option we generate a HTML URL code, and we forward that particular link to our customers. So customer click on that particular link and they execute the option. So I will click on send email using Microsoft Outlook, and I will click on next button. Yeah, in this option we get a summary report. In this option we create a Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook gets open, and with the help of Microsoft Outlook we send the campaign. We generate the campaign, and all this is the report we get after executing and saving of the particular campaign. The campaign is executed successfully. The operation save option operation completed successfully. Campaign number 50 created. So if I click on the golden arrow, I will be redirected to the campaigning option, which is the second option in our CRM module. In this option, we will get all the business partner with that particular campaign generation wizard. Then in this we can in this campaign we can we can track the particular progress of that particular campaign. So for particular customer, if there is any response from container depot, I will click on that and I will click on response button. Then the second option will get open, that is response type. So what kind of response I have got from that. So if there it is interested they are interested, I will click on interested. And if I have to create any document from this particular campaigning module, I can create that also. So if I will create a sales quotation, I can create sales quotation, or if I already created a sales quotation, I can attach that sales quotation to that particular campaign. So from the document number, I will select from the radio button, I will select the particular sales quotation for that particular uh, customer, and I will update that. So by this way we can track all the activities to that particular in campaign generation wizard. That concludes our training for campaign generation. Thank you.